TV.
Gikone to Grace Njoki, miyo mano maki kitudo gi monjo kendo rocho chenro mag jatend migawo mar thieth Debra Barasa ewi achiedh nade mag okumba mar SHA juma mokalo we thuolo kod rambon mar siling 10,000 tok obila nyema ke odhiambo manyoro. Njoki kata kamano ok odonjne kod ketho moro amora ka okinde mage wacho ni obila ne ok oyudo ketho made donjne godo. Kata obedo ni Njoki nonego chope e nyim doho kinyi ma kawuono, obila wacho ni gidwaro thuolo mondo gitim nonro mondi.
I had gone to seek for treatment at London Hospital because I was sick, and I'm a security person who I had seen earlier in Kenyatta, and I even asked him, "What are you doing here?"
Mano jatuo Grace Njoki ko paro gi chuny malit kaka obila nyo wuodhe lwet thieth manyodhi manya od thieth maladnan mantiere kar dak ma Isili, Nairobi.
So I sensed that I was being followed, and he claimed he had a patient, and I can identify even when I see him because the other time when I went to collect my results, I saw him and he appeared from nowhere and he greeted me. So I told them I was coming to collect my results because they were inquiring what I had gone to do. So when I saw him at London, I was uneasy, but he claimed he had a patient. I felt I was being abducted because that was my fear. That is what I felt because I do not know why I was arrested. I need to meet not arresting, to meet abduction because I had gone for treatment. So could they not wait for me to finish my treatment? They know where I stay because they told me even we know your house.
Njoki odhi nyime kowacho ni onge ketho moro amora motimo ka en okedo ne mana ratich jotuo makato bedo ni osechulo omenda mag SHA to ok nyal yudo thieth e yo makare.
I met many patients. I had no even patients who kept telling me they are paying that SHA, they are paying treatment from their pockets. It is true. I even encountered some patients there. They told me they have a bill of 2 million and SHA only paid 2,000. What is that? Another one had a bill of 400,000, SHA paid 1,000. What is that?
Picha mar wang dede mane wayudo nyiso kako obila nyo kwanyo Njoki leple kiterete sendo obila ma Capitol Hill kama no gengne nyaka pinyoru. Okide bag Njoki okwedo meko mar Njoki ka giwacho ni mano yo ma sirikal tiyo godo mar bogo jo Kenya makedo ne ratichgi.
They have relented. They have sought to run with their tails behind their back on account of the fact that they were unprepared to bring the lioness of SHA to court.
The lioness of SHA, the only crime she did was to go and remind the state, the deaf state operators, that I have paid for SHA and I am not able to receive the services that I have paid for.
Kamano bende gavana machon ma Nairobi Mike Mbuvi Sonko mano ka oting mar chulo rambun ne Njoki bende okwedo meko makamano kolaro ni meko ma oyaye go gin gik machon mathuolo mag gino serumo.
I'm wondering even why she was incarcerated for a night in the police cells because the offense ambao wanataka kumchaji nayo is bailable. Haja commit murder. Yeah, she was fighting for the rights of other women in this country.
Juma mokalo Njoki kachiel kod jotuo mamoko nomonjo romo mane dhi nyime lok tich mar migawo mar thieth manita kod jatend migawo mar thieth Debra Barasa kane gidhi chiwo ywak margi ewi sandruok magikaloe e sama gimanyo thieth e bwo okumba mar SHA.
And it is not opening, it is not working.